Hello, I'm Gerard Massa, the health educator, and today we are going to answer a question that was asked by one of our subscribers. And the question is, what is the commonest cause of pain in your right side? If you are a woman and you are experiencing pain in your right side, there are many causes of this. The pain could be due to some issues happening in your reproductive system. My best advice is, if you are a woman and you are experiencing pain in your right side, then you should have yourself get checked up by your doctor. Your doctor will request for some tests. These tests include the pelvic ultrasound scan. When you do a pelvic ultrasound scan, the cause of the pain will be identified. The scan can show that you could be having issues in your right tube. You could be having fluid in your right tube. This is also known as hydrosalpingitis. And then also you could be actually having issues like you could be having cysts in your right side. So when we are talking about cysts, when we are talking about fluid in your right side, normally this simply means that a cyst is a fluid-filled cavity. A cyst is a swelling. Let's put it in simple terms. A cyst is a swelling which actually develops in your reproductive system. So if you are feeling pain, you are feeling discomfort in your right side, then you could be having a cyst or you could be having a swelling in your right side. The only way to determine that you are having a cyst or you are having a swelling in your right side is by doing a pelvic ultrasound scan. This is a test whereby images or pictures are taken of your reproductive system. So, my friend, if you are feeling pain in your right side, you should do a pelvic ultrasound scan. But also, your doctor will request for a urine analysis test, and then this will show exactly what could be happening, because a study of your urine will be done whereby your urine will be analyzed for issues like maybe presence of pus, presence of white blood cells, and then also presence of other factors like maybe yeast cells. So pain in the right side is a sign that something is not right. Have yourself checked, do a pelvic ultrasound scan, and then also do a urine analysis test, and your doctor will interpret the results for you. Leero tubadde tuli kwogera ku ekibuuzo ekibuuziddwa omu ku mikwano gyaffe, era mukwano gwaffe yatubuuziza, one of our viewers atubuuziza n'agamba nti awulira obulumi mu part eya right side, awulira obulumi ku mukono gwe ogwa right side, era tugambye nti obulumi buno busobola okuba nga buva ku bizimba oba buva ku nsonga ez'okuba nga kwegamba wandibanga maybe olina ekizimba oba olina amaazi mu luseke oba nga obuzibu buli ku magi. So oba olina okola scan, olina okola pelvic ultrasound scan, ate n'okirala olina okuba nga okebera omusulo, olina okola test gye bayita urine analysis test. Buuza omusawo Gerard Massa. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. Schedule your consultation. Talk to me. Let me answer all your questions. Visit my website. It is www.gerardmassa.thehealtheducator.com. So book your consultation so that we can talk more, and then also you can connect with me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp is +256 701 79 7876. Thank you for attending today's lesson. We have answered the question, the cause of pain in the right side, and we have said that this could be due to masses or cysts. These are swellings which could be fluid-filled or they could be filled with tissue, and then also it could be due to fluid in your right side, or it could be due to accumulation of fluid in your fallopian tubes. Thank you. Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel. I wish you a very healthy and fantastic day. See you tomorrow at exactly 5 p.m. That is 11. At exactly 5 p.m. I'll be uploading a video. I upload a video every day. See you once again and have yourself a fantastic day. Bye bye.